Okay, I'll be showing you how to remove your developer unit on kyocera 2551 2500 2550. So what you have to do, just open the front door. This is your waste toner, you remove it. So you just open it from here to the right. Then there's another knob here, you just pull it up. So these are your developers, 1 2 3 4, and these are your drums, 1 2 3 4. So to remove your developer, you just have to press this knob, press it inside, then drag it out, then you pull it out completely. To put it back, the same thing. Be careful, your hand should be straight. Then you push it, then you close this one, and you jam this one. After you return your waste toner box, that's all. Alright, thanks for watching that video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more support videos. Thank you.